I think it's a good one. Here we go. Box number 1. Dominion for Nicholas90. Good luck, sir. Tarasenko Shield. Actually, I think his shield's going to be in Rookie Anthology. He's probably going to be an update. Another fatty. This thing is huge. Seriously, this thing is massive. We have a booklet. Booklet! I don't know which way to go. Alright. Torrey Krug to 299. For Detroit, 2-color Brian Leshoff. Patch autograph. Let's flip this. Richard Panik to 299. Rookie patch autograph. 2 colors. Flip. Number 10/25. Jared Stahl. Complete rookies. Jersey Prime patch fight strap. And let me flip this way. Numbered 1/50. Jack Campbell Ice Level Rookie Book for the Stars. 1/50. Beautiful. Perfect time for Samuel to walk in. Yep, jersey numbered. 1/50. Nicholas, there you have it, sir.